Frank. I need you. I mean, the war was 50 years ago.
In my mind, there's a war still going on.
All right, what happened, Frank? What is it that you can't get over?
Incheon, Korea, 1950. I was the best cook Uncle Sam ever saw. Slinging hash for the fighting 103rd. As we marched north, our supply lines were getting thin. Well, one day, a couple of GIs found a crate. Inside was 600 pounds of prime Texas steer. At least it once was prime. The use date was 3 weeks past. But I was arrogant. I was brash. I thought if I used just the right spices, cooked it long enough.
What happened?
I went too far. I overseasoned it. Men were keeling over all around me. I can still hear the wretch screaming. I sent 16 of my own men to the latrines that night. They were just boys.
Frank, you were a boy, too. And it was war. It was a crazy time for everyone.
Tell that to Bobby Colby. All that kid wanted to do was go home. Well, he went home all right. With a crater in his colon the size of a cutlet. I had to sit him on a cork, the 18-hour flight home.
Frank, now listen to me. 200 Jewish singles need you. This is your chance to make it all right again.
No. No, I'll never cook again. Never. Now get out of my